this cute charm for my birthday one year and I love it. 水包子 for the Lunar New Year. I'm going to start E.L.F with foundation. I hope you guys have all been doing well, and if you guys celebrate Lunar New Year, I hope you guys had a great time with your families and friends celebrating the holidays. Lunar New Year is like Christmas for people here. It's a time where everyone returns home to celebrate and eat and have a feast with their families, see all their relatives. I've been growing a lot of little baby hairs lately. They're not long enough for me to clip it up and they just pop out all the time. Bringing out my hand mirror. I haven't used this mirror yet. This is a flower nose mirror from their 6th-year anniversary. Last year was their 7th anniversary, so this mirror is from 2 years ago. Look how pretty that is. They had a little angel themed like anniversary gifts. Every year to anniversaries, they will do like a collection of products that they will give out, and you can exchange for them with points as well. They're only available for a limited time only. This one is discontinued for a long time already and suddenly popped up in store one day where you can exchange with your loyalty points, so I exchanged for it. I've been loving these marshmallow puffs lately to blend out my foundation. It goes super quick and easy and makes my makeup look smooth. Using my new hand mirror as a flex. I've had this for a few months now and I didn't bring it out to use it. I'm going to use it for today's video. Adding some concealer. This concealer is from the same, it's quite popular, and what I love about it is that it's super affordable. This one is about $4 when I bought it. It's super creamy, smooth, easy to blend. Blending it out. There's an impression I have of Korean beauty products. If you go on the E.L.F global website and you go through the best-selling makeup products for each category, you can find really good eyebrow pencils, eyeliners, mascaras for under $10. You can get really good eyebrow pencils for $4, $6, $8. And then when you look at eyeshadow palettes and cushion foundations, you see products up to $38, $42, $50. I think people really invest a lot on eyeshadow palettes, even though it's only a little 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, people are willing to pay $48 for it. And you know what? I relate. I'm about to use this eyebrow pencil from E.L.F. This was $3 when I bought it, and the eyeshadow palette I'll be using today is $45. There are just some items that I'm willing to invest a lot in, like a foundation, an eyeshadow palette. But then there are some products that are consumables, like mascara, eyebrow pencils, eyeliners. I change them every few months. They also don't really affect my look, so I don't care to spend too much on it or have them from a good brand. Whereas other things like eyeshadow, I like to invest in them because they show up on your makeup look, they define your makeup look. I like a good wet looking shimmer, and they also last a long time. I can use the eyeshadow palette for 3-5 years, so I'm willing to invest in that. This is the Flower Nose Little Angel palette. I'm just going through some neutral shades. It's going to be an easy eye look, and then I want to do some graphic liner to it. I'm not sure you can call this graphic liner. The plan is just to do, I think by the time now you already saw the thumbnail, you know what I'm going for. Taking some of the darker shades for the crease. I'm not going for a super dark look today. I like to wear eyeshadow on my lower lash lines. Feels like it makes my eyes look bigger. Let me know what are you guys products you would splurge on and invest in, products that you wouldn't want to spend too much on or you don't really care for it. Now I'm going to take some shimmer. This nail broke off the other day when I was cleaning up. You see how shaky my fingers are? Like these two can't stay in place, they're just shaky. It's a miracle how I learned to do eyeliner. Putting some shimmers on my eyelids. Now we got to the important part, test of skills, eyeliner. Let's hope I can do it. I have a look in mind. I like to start along the lash line and then wing it out. I should probably go up higher today because of the look I have in mind. I'm so nervous, guys. When it comes to eyeliner, I think it takes a lot of time, patience to learn how to do eyeliner suitable for your eye shape. It takes a lot of learning and practicing. Eventually you will find your own style. It's easier for me to start from the other side and connect it. Now I'm going to thicken up the look and make it look more defined. The lines are not perfect, but you know what? That's the interesting part about makeup. It's never going to turn out exactly how I have it in mind. I think that's good enough. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. This is a Cleo Q-Lash mascara. It's the best one I've used on my lashes, and I always repurchase it. I bought 2 new ones this new year. You can get it on any website that is selling K-beauty products. Also guys, I got an affiliate code with E.L.F Young Global now. If you want to order K-beauty products there, you can use my code Palina05 for 5% off. Thank you for supporting me in advance. This mascara is almost dried out, so I bought 2 new ones. And you know what I like about almost dried out mascara? They dry up really quick when you apply it, and it holds up your curl. Even better than when it was brand new. Now let's do a little bit of contour. I really like how the look turned out. I think it turned out very different than what I had in mind. Bold of me to imagine I would do perfect lines. And they're asymmetrical, I would say. But that's the fun part. Also, I'm wearing an asymmetrical top today. This one has sleeves, this one doesn't. My friend gifted me this top and I really like it. Also, you know this kind of white stripe thingy? They keep popping out, I keep pressing them back in. They're a bit annoying, but I never cut them off. I think they're meant for like when your hands are short up, and because this side doesn't have a sleeve, you need to put on the white little band. The side have one as well. I'm so good at explaining stuff. I'm not sure if I want to go with a pink blush or a warm toned one. And my skin is warm toned, so I can never go wrong with warm tones. Let's go with a warm blush today. This is from Flower Nose Chocolate Shop collection, and this is a matching brush. Let's take some of it. It's like a terracotta, like a light terracotta shade with a hint of pink. So like a brownish pink, if that makes sense. It's so subtle and looks so cute. I really love Flower Nose blushes. Every time a new Flower Nose collection comes out, I always buy some items from it. I get super excited over it, looking through all the shades and swatches. And then once I have it, I'm waiting for the next collection. I'm curious what will the next collection be, and people are already requesting them to do a fairy collection. I think that would be beautiful. For the lips, we're going with the Flower Nose lip tint. This is the shade 09 from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. The color is cute and I think will look good with today's look. They call it a lip gloss, but I keep calling it a lip tint because it feels like a tint more. It has a glowy texture of a lip tint and also the color stains on your lips. I bought 3 different shades from this lip gloss from this collection, each with a white, the pink, and the blue packaging. And I know the white one is called Starlight Bubble, I use it a lot. The pink one is called Mermaid Tears. This one, I remember something was Amber, maybe Twilight Amber, but not sure anymore. I'll put the name here. Back then when I had a small makeup collection, I could remember all my makeup products, all the shades and where I put all the makeup products. I never missed an item from my collection. Nothing ever went missing. I knew exactly where I put all of them, like in which position in my drawer. I know all the shade names and how I got them, but now my collection has gotten too big. Sometimes I forget the shade names of my products. It's starting to get glowy. After you apply the lip gloss, lip tint, you have to wait like a minute for it to fully get that glowy look. Do you guys ever look in the mirror and just think, wow, the makeup turned out really good today? This is one of those days. This is my Project Pan makeup bag. I will do an update later this month. Should we take a cute thumbnail picture together? I like to let my hair down for that. I think that was good. And this is the finished makeup look, guys. I really like the graphic lines, the asymmetrical. Try to go for perfect, but of course my skill is lacking kind of eyeliner look with this. I haven't used this in a long time. I forgot how much I loved it. It's such a glowy, sheer, see-through, warm-toned red kind of lip. I forgot what I was trying to say. I really like how the look turned out, and thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope you guys take care of yourselves, drink water, eat food, stay healthy, and I didn't write scripts for stuff like this. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! I will miss you.